Hello everybody. In this video I will talk about converting date given in one format to another format. We know that operational source systems will store date in format something like this. Date is equal to 2024 dash first year, then month, then day. Okay, data mining algorithms may expect data in different format like year, quarter, month, week, day, because in case of the data mining we may have to see data in different level of detail. We may have to summarize data on the basis of week, we may have to summarize data on the basis of month and quarter. So date we got from the operation systems are given in this format. So what we have to do is we have to transform this date to our required format. So now let's see how to do this in Python. Okay, import date time. Let's import this package, then let's take date as input from user input, enter date in format YYYY-mm-dd. okay, then what we are supposed to do is now user will be supplying date like this 2024-09-23. So now we have to split this year, month and day part. So for this what we will do is date parts will declare a list, then date dot split is the method we will be using to convert that string, this string to list. Okay, split, and this the separator is dash. Okay, now we can print here parts 0, this will contain year part. Okay, now let's run this, run module. Now 2024-09-23. now you can see here year part is displayed. That means by using the split method we are able to split the given string into different parts. Here there will be 3 parts. In the 0 we will have year, in the 1 we will have month, in 2 we will have the date. Okay, now let's create one variable equal to date time. We'll create the date time object using this date parts. Okay, int the date parts in string format, so we have to convert that part into integer 0. Okay, I can do copy paste, Ctrl C Ctrl V. Now date parts, this is the 1, this is the 2. Okay, well now we are creating date, we can print this. Yucks. Now let's rerun this, run module 2024-11-19. now you can see this is the year part only. Now using these different parts of the date we created the date time object. Okay, now we will be doing what? Now we have to get the year is equal to x.strf time. It is the inbuilt method. Using this inbuilt method we can get the year, then we will get the month, x.strf time, percentage b is the specifier, then we will get day is equal to x.strf time, percentage a. Okay, now we have to get week, so week is equal to x.strf time, percentage capital U. Here our week will be starting from 0, and this method strf time will return a string. So what we have to do, we have to convert this string into the integer, then we have to add 1. Okay, now for the quarter let's check. Okay, let's make this month as the integer. Is int date underscore parts, that is the 1. Here we are in the date parts list, in the second position we have month, and that is in the string format, so we have to cast it into the integer. Now let's check if yum is greater than equal to 1 and yum is less than equal to 3, then quarter is equal to first. Okay, then we have to check for other quarters also. Ctrl V, Control V, no, Control V, then this should be intended properly, so tab, then okay, else if then elif, otherwise else QAR quarter is equal to FOUR, it is fourth. Now if m is greater than or equal to 4 and less than or equal to 6, that will be the second quarter. Second, then if the month is greater than 7 and less than 9, the quarter will be third, otherwise the quarter will be fourth. Now display these values. Now print, okay, year, then quarter, QUAR quarter, then month, okay, quote month, MINTH, okay, month, okay, fine. Month, then week, then day. Okay, let's declare the quarter here, otherwise it will throw error. Initial less and 0. Okay, let's check if everything is fine or not. Year, quarter, month, week, day. It seems fine. Now let's execute this one. Okay, date 2024 dash, okay, 08 dash 12. Now you can see here the year is 224, quarter third, because the 8th month belongs to the third quarter. Month is August, week is 33, and day is Monday. So in this way, using a simple Python code, we can convert date given in this format. Basically, operation system will be storing date in this format, and for the purpose of the data mining, we can convert this given date into our required format, because lots of data mining algorithms will be expecting data in specific format, and we know that we may have to summarize data by week, by month, by quarter. So we have to convert date given like this to this required format. Okay, this is the very simple code. So using this kind of code, we can easily convert date given in one format to our required format. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much.